I did a lot of research on these prebiotic fiber gummies before I actually bought. These are a fun way to get fiber without having to deal with powders or drinks. I like the packaging, but what I really like and why I bought these YumVs is for one main reason, and this is it. There is no sugar. These are natural, sugar-free. So I'm happy. You don't got to add a million carbs to get a little bit of fiber. The reason why I wanted these was to keep the pipes moving, so to speak. So anyway, I just do two of them. I usually do it at lunch or sometime in the morning between breakfast and lunch. And this is a prebiotic. Be sure you don't get it confused with a probiotic. I do take that with that. But once I added two of these to the probiotic, things are regular. No issues whatsoever. Clean ingredients. That was the biggest reason that I researched and bought these. Clean ingredients and no sugars whatsoever. These are a daily routine staple. I do it religiously. No bloat, no sugar, no drama. This works exactly how you want it to. And you know what? They're kind of enjoyable to take. Highly recommend. Can't say enough nice things about these.